This conference will now be recorded.
Hello all, I hope you're doing well. I'm Kelly and I have with me our team from RP Agency and doing this presentation for the Tejinder Thinde Group. With me on this presentation are Jessica, who is our SEO analyst. We have Angela, who is our client manager. We have Catherine, who is our social media expert. We have Donna, who is our web developer. We have Steve, who is a WordPress developer, and I work with our agency as the client manager. To give you a brief about what to expect from this presentation, we are going to cover primarily three topics in this presentation. First is your web page, wherein you get to have an idea about how your website would come across. We then talk about SEO and how we make sure that your name turns up on the Google search engine when somebody searches for real estate companies. And in the last bit, we talk about how social media platforms can be used to promote your business. So, starting off the presentation, this one of the prepare two web pages for you for a sample. We will take you through. You will tabs. You see home page, you see an about page, you see work with us page. There are pages for buy and sell property, and then of course the contact details. Donna, can we scroll through the screen, please? Donna? Can we scroll through the home page, Donna? Right. So this is how the first page looks like. We have used a lot of pictures. The content has been taken from your website, and all of this is work in progress. We can change this to better suit your requirements. We will now have a look at the second home page. The content and the pictures there would be the same. It's just that the presentation is different here. So you get to see how there's two samples of how the website can come across. Right. So you'll notice that we've used a lot of pictures here since we are into real estate and we would want the pictures to do the talking for us. If there's any specific pictures that you would like to provide us, which should be highlighted on the website, we can do that. If you want us to search for any specific pictures based on the requirements that you have, we can do that as well. So like I mentioned before, these home pages are work in progress and we can always modify them to better suit your business requirements. So this is how things would look out from the front end. I will now pass this presentation on to Angela, who would talk you through about the backend functionings of the website and SEO. Over to you, Angela.
Hi, this is Angela. I would be taking you through keyword analysis. This is mainly to get more traffic for your business online. And basically what we do here is keyword research, specifically of the term which is being frequently or highly searched in the market in terms of real estate, as you can see, real estate by different clients and customers who are probably trying to buy or sell. So now we first would take out the term which is real estate and make a search, keyword search of that, and check out which keyword specifically stands top among the search results and also which has the low competency. So that's what we are going to pick up, and then probably create a title out of it, and then description, which is the content part, and then incorporate that in the respective page of the website. And this is again to increase the visibility of your services. So we're planning to put this across specifically on the property listings page. So we're going to actually show you how we're going to do it. So now, since the business is into real estate, under real estate, when we go to Google and search, these are the terms, I mean, the keywords that is related to real estate would show up. Now, this in the Google search looks like very complicated. So we have a tool called Google Keyword Planner that we are using to extract the data out of this search. Now here, this tool helps us to know the search and the competency. So out of which we actually focusing on the ones, on those keywords which are actually highly being searched, which are at high search levels, but has a low competency. Say, for example, real estate agent. Now for this, average monthly searches are between 100 to 1,000. But then this is under medium risk. So we do not want to go with something which is medium or high. So we'll pick up something which is at low, but has high search result, and then create a title out of it, and then the description, and post it on the website. So say, for example, if there is a property or an apartment that the client is trying to sell on a priority basis. So in that case, what we do is, under real estate, we check out only for those keywords which are related to apartment. So again, we do our research in the Google Keyword Planner and check out for the keywords which are related to apartment, which are actually highly being searched in the market, which has a low competency level. And then we're going to create a content title and then specifically put that on the property listings page, so that when the clients in the market are trying to search anything which is related to apartment, we will make sure that this page, or they will directly be routed to the property listings page, the ones which are priority in your list. So this is how we're going to work, and this will be like ongoing process. Say that we're going to actually do this research on a daily basis and make sure that your website is getting updated every now and then. And we'll keep updating you probably every once in 2 days. And like if you have any suggestions, because they could be to apartments, or maybe a condo or detached house, or any kind of specific properties that you're trying to sell on a priority. So you can actually please let us know, so that we will try to work this SEO out for those categories and make sure that you get the leads as early as possible. So this is pretty much about the keyword analysis.
Okay, thank you, Angela. So we'll now have Catherine talk about social media platforms.
Hi, this is Catherine. I would be talking about the social media part of your business. How we are going to promote your business in social channels, social networks. First of all, 3 billion people are using social media networks across globe. So it is like not a local business. It is going to be a global business for you. There are some main highlighting things here in social media. I would like to tell about these things, like increasing brand awareness, humanizing your brand, establishing your brand as a thought leader, and social listening of your brand, increasing website traffic, generating leads, and uh, consumer through post ads, uh, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and there are different ads there for social media. Boosting your sales, partner with the influencer as well. You can be connected with the same community as well. Always stay top on the story, because if you are using a social media thing, people are scrolling like in a single minute every time. So yeah, it is really easy to get in, like one click away from your consumer. So it is the biggest part of the social media thing. There is always on online reputation management things. There is always customer and audience engagement, customer services and customer support as well, or analyzing all this stuff. Like there is always the optimization, social media page optimization, as well as optimizing all the analytics terms as well. Like end of the month, you will get the report what is going on your social media page as well. I'll show you a demo thing, or we had clients. So let's have a look. So this is the client. They are also in real estate. So like optimizing their whole social media page, preparing post content, writing post captions. Uh, these are the regular things, like posting every day, about 2 to 4 posts every day, or like it's depend on your requirement. Basically, it is not only for the Facebook, it is also for the Instagram, LinkedIn pages, and YouTube, and there are SoundCloud as well. It depends on your requirement always. So it is all about, we also provide you a content calendar for the whole social media page listing. Like I'll show you the kind of content calendar I am talking about. Like this, there is monthly planning what we are going to post. If there is any pictures or something provided by you, so we'll introduce in a particular manner, in a brand awareness stuff, like scheduling all the posts, content, Facebook updates, Instagram updates. There is like which kind of post we are going to publish, and something. So that's all about the social media thing, how we are going to promote your business in social media channels. Thank you. Over to you, Angela.
Thank you, Catherine. And we will now have Angela. Angela?
Yes. Hello.
Yes. Angela, can you take us over the SEO bit, the WordPress?
Yeah, sure. So I would request Steve to share the screen.
Yes, we're making him the presenter. So Steve will be able to share his screen now.
Sure. So here we're actually going to show you an example of how we're going to actually, if there is anything like content or the meta title which needs to be changed, practically how we're going to do it through WordPress. Say now on the screen, it says that beyond real estate. Now, for example, if we have to modify this and put it in a better way, we'll first take this into the WordPress. And change it here. Now under home, this tool helps us to update like anything that you want to change specifically on the home page. Probably if we have to change the title or the content. Now, just in case if you yourself, if you want to modify anything like any of the title or the content, or if you want to add anything, you can definitely do that. But now to make these changes on your website, we are actually doing it through the local drive. So we want to actually replace beyond real estate. So we're going to type that here and then click the update button. This is internally connected with the website. So once it's updated here, it immediately reflects on the home page. So likewise, if there is anything that needs to be modified in any part of the website, please feel free to let us know so that we can make the changes accordingly. And again, this is also ongoing, that we will keep changing these things to make it more attractive, informative, and increase the visibility of your brand, so that we will keep changing the title and also the content part as well. So this is how we actually change the title and the description under each and every category.
Okay. Thank you, Angela, for that. So we have tried to cover here primarily how the website looks up front, how the workings are done in the back end to modify or refine our changes on the website, and then how, as your digital partner, we can use various social media platforms to enhance business. So that is a wrap from our end. Our sales team will be in touch with you for any queries that you would like to address, and we shall take it from there. For now, thank you so much for your time, and thank you, team, for the presentation. Thank you all.
Thank you.